Hey you guys! So for today's video, I am going to be doing a full in-depth review on the Buxom, I'm reading this so I can get the full name, the Buxom Holographic Full-On Plumping Lip Polish Top Coats. Okay. Everyone and their mother has been talking about this product on YouTube lately, and I am so excited and overjoyed because Buxom actually went ahead and sent me every single color. That was just amazing, and I'm so beyond happy. I just want to say thank you so much to Buxom for this. It honestly means so much to me, and I really appreciated that. Disclaimer here though, I am not being paid to talk about these products. This is not a sponsored video, just so you guys know. Even if it was sponsored, I would still give you guys my full in-depth review, and I still be very professional about it. I'm not one of those people where I'm gonna say I love a product and I don't genuinely love it. So without further ado, I'm so freaking excited right now to put these on my lips, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I should have said this before, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick lip swatch of every color, so here we go.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me, holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all? Only us, only love, only love. Time is a constant reminder of fate. It's fixed in this moment. Please stop, wake me up. Thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in us? Only love, only us. Only love, time is up.
Okay, so you guys just saw the way they apply, and you got to see every single color and how opaque and how holographic they came out from out of the bottle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so it says on the little note that they gave me, these are free of parabens, sulfates, ploflates? I don't know, and irritants commonly found in lip plumping products. I believe that because usually whenever I use certain lip plumping products, they really irritate my lips, they hurt too much, and in the end result, I feel like they really didn't do that great of a job plumping up my lips. And I've always noticed with the Buxom lip products in general, they never do that, and they always feel so comfortable. They give it a really nice cooling sensation to the lips, and I honestly love that in a lip product. I live, die, breathe, sneeze, fart for that. It's amazing. I feel like when it comes to lip products, Buxom has always got it right. I've never been disappointed with any of their lip products. I'm definitely still not disappointed now. I can honestly say that I really like these. At first, I wasn't sure because as you guys saw when it came out of the tube, it looked a little bit goopy and that made me very nervous. I'll show you guys here right now in case you didn't see it. It comes out very goopy, but the way that the applicator is, it keeps it from being super goopy on your lips and it makes it so it spreads out so evenly and nicely. That's the one thing I was really worried about when I was putting these on my lips, but as you guys saw, they applied very nicely thanks to the applicator. As they dry, they start to not feel as sticky, which I really like because I really don't like a really sticky lip gloss. They feel really nice and hydrating on the lips, which I also really love. They're also infused with vitamin A and E, which is what gives it that moisture to the lips. I feel like these would be so much fun for a music festival. I'm definitely going to use these this summer. I already know. I honestly do really enjoy these. I feel like I'm going to have a lot of fun playing around with these. I love the way they feel feel on the lips. I love the way they wear. They just feel so comfortable, and that's all I ask for in a lip product. I just want comfort on my lips. Would I recommend these? Absolutely. Now, in case you guys were wondering, the price for one of these is $20. Just so you guys know, that is a little bit steep and expensive, but if you're looking to splurge on a lip plumper that's gonna be a lot of fun to wear in the summertime, then I do highly suggest these. I do honestly really like them. Again, thank you so much to Buxom. I really appreciated this. This was so amazing of you guys to give me all of these. So yeah, I really just want to say thank you one more time for that. And yeah, you guys, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys. Dang it, my eye keeps watering. Full in-depth. You saw the Buxom lips prop. The way they hurt me. Some lip products and